Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay utilities with United Healthcare UCard. In order to do that, first of all, you have to check your eligibility, confirm that your UCard benefit cover utilities payments. You can do this by logging in your account, in your United Healthcare account, or reviewing your UCard benefit booklet. Now, all the plans including utilities payment, so it is essential to verify this first. Now, if you haven't registered for the UCard Hub website or download the UCard mobile app, this is necessary to access payment option for utilities. Now, gather utility information, have your utility bill handy, including the account number and payment details. This information will be needed when making the payment. Now, from there you have to, if your utility company allows online payment, visit their website like credit or debit card as the payment method and enter your UCard details, card number, expiry date, and the CVV. Now, if alternatively, you can call your utility provider customer service and request the pay using your UCard. Provide the necessary details when prompted. Now, if some utility companies may accept payment in the person at authorized location like Walmart, Money Center. Bring your card, a government issue ID, and a copy of your utility bill. Now confirm the payment. After submitting the payment, keep any confirmation number or email you received from your for your records. Note that payments made through the UCard may take several days to process and reach the utility provider. So now if you have questions about whether your utility bill are covered or how to use the UCard for payment, reach out to United Healthcare customer support using the number on the back of your card.